Poumais start a new calendar year with the celebration of Thounii festival, which falls in the early part of January. The best part of the celebration is the glorious whooping by the man folks. All men are encouraged to partake, as the local myth has it that whosoever joined in the whooping will have sound health, good fortune and long life. Ultimately, it gives new hopes, new dreams and new destinies, and so on and on and on in the beautiful Poumais way of life.